Okay guys, I have my fetal Doppler, my Sonoline B. I'm going to open it up with one hand, of course, because I got the camera in the other hand. And see what we have in here. Guess this is just the sticker to put on it. This is the instruction manager, which I'm going to read carefully before using. And this is the actual fetal monitor. Comes with 2 batteries, and it comes with some gel, ultrasound gel. I did order some extra though. And it also come with a portable Doppler drone. Now they said that you can change these out, so you don't have to always just use this one. So I'm about to read the manual, see how this works, and try to see if I can find a heartbeat. Okay guys, I'm going to attempt to try this again. So you guys know I have my new fetal Doppler monitor with a 3 megahertz probe, and I also have some ultrasound jelly. Now from what I researched, you can use this as early as 8 weeks, but unfortunately I got a little cushion in front of my stomach, so it's not as easy. I didn't get it till 9 weeks, but it wasn't easy to find the baby's heartbeat at 9 weeks. Actually, I didn't really find it to the end of 9 weeks. I'm actually 10 weeks now, and I want to let you see how this works. It's been quite difficult to video because I need both of my hands to try to find the heartbeat, holding my cushion as well as holding the monitor, and I don't have nothing to hold the phone. So I'm trying something different now. I'm going to sit on the floor where I can put my phone on a phone holder and see if I can find the little heartbeat this way. Hopefully I can find it quick. It's not easy. I had to look at a few videos to see how the ladies was finding a heartbeat, and I kept coming across my own heartbeat, but one of the videos I learned that the baby's placenta sounds much like a heartbeat, my heartbeat. And once you find the placenta, somewhere in that vicinity, you should find the baby's heart rate, which would be a lot faster. Now, sometimes when I found the baby heart rate, it'll be real low, so it won't register on the monitor. Sometimes it'll be real strong and it'll register. Like the last time it registered like 171 beats per minute. And this time, and then there's times where it registers so low it won't pick up on the digital monitor. And then sometimes when I find it, I don't keep it because the baby being so small, it tends to do a lot of movement. So we're gonna see what we can do. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the jelly on here and get started and see if we can find it. Artificial sweeteners and taste amazing. Get refreshed on summer again and again. Turn this TV down. And I'm about to get started. See, it's kind of hard to hold this. I gotta hold it close to my ear where I can hear first. that, but that's the sound of the placenta. That's the sound of the placenta. Now let me see if I can find a heartbeat. It's real light. Can you hear it? That's the baby, guys. It's kind of low that it's not registering the right heartbeat on the monitor.